should have aimed for me.
Nobody messes with our healer!
Everyone stand back!
It's over, right? Such a menacing aura. I can't believe it.
My arms, but I've got Min Byung-gu by my side!
And as long as I can heal us, you won't take us down.
Byung-gu!
You know?
You are all weak. Who is your king? King? Outside, a strong presence.
We're pulling out. Okay. Let's come back for the bodies later. This is no ordinary ant. Minoru, go and join Team Bravo, hurry. So, Ant, you have quite the presence.
See the light in darkness. Are you the king?
You're not just tough. You can speak. The king. I suppose you could call me that. It's so powerful.
Come on, Jay, can't you turn up the heat?
If I do, I'll burn through every bit of oxygen in here.
Everyone's dying. Byung-gu did his best to heal us, but it's not even close to enough. Out of all of us, Chejong-min stands the best chance. Is this how it all ends? Is that dark soldier?
Exchange.
Your king was not outside. He was not the king. Are there others you call king? If that thing's back, then... Damn it. Son! Are you the king of the humans?
Talking insect. Now you're acting more like a bot.
I'm losing the battle of strength. If he's all about strength, there's no point facing him head on. My true strength lies in my speed. Playtime's over. He died.
Come forth. This one seems unusually troubled. Arise. Why is it so dark? I can't feel anything. And I'm back. For a second, I thought I'd failed. I've never seen this rank before. Only standard, elite, knight, and elite knight. So is general the next level? That means this guy's much stronger than all the other shadow soldiers I've obtained.
Please, my king, give me a name.
I'm the one who killed you. Do you still wish to follow my lead?
I was not killed by you. Rather, through your powers, I was reborn, master.
Beru. Your name is Beru.
I shall follow you for the rest of eternity.